everyone, today I'm sharing with you my family's favorite masala chai recipe that we drink it every single day. So I'm sharing you my family's secret recipe. For that we need chai. So I'm using rock bakri tea leaves, organic milk or regular milk, lemongrass, tea masala and some ginger. I will be also adding mint because I happen to have it. So we are taking a pot, add 3/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of tea leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of tea masala. This is homemade masala, so if you like to have the recipe, let me know. I'll definitely share it with you. And also some lemongrass. Lemongrass is optional. If you have it, you add it in. Otherwise, you can make it without it. And some mint leaves. And the last ingredients, ginger. So now we are just going to let the water boil with all these ingredients inside and everything gets combined. So the key thing to notice that water needs to turn brown. Okay, so when you boil it, it needs to turn brown. And once it does it, once it's boiling like that, then we'll be adding milk. So you can use 3/4 cup of milk. So the water and milk amount is the same. So 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of milk. If you are using 1 cup of milk, then you can use 1 cup of water. So like water and milk ratio is the same. So here 3/4 cup of milk, you can use the regular milk, or if you are vegan, you can use vegan milk. I happen to have regular milk, so I'm using it. And this is the brand I'm using. So just let the tea boil. So when the tea is boiling, do not try to walk away from the stove because it may spill. So stay close to the stove. So this way you don't make a mess. Because it doesn't take that long to cook, aka boil. So as you can see, it's started to boil. And this is how it looks like. So now this time we are going to stir and make sure the color is okay, because we need to have chocolatey brown color, not the light color. It has to be chocolatey brown color. So if you don't see that color, try to add more tea leaves. But if the color is okay, then it's good to go. At this point, everything looks okay to me. Now at this point, if you like to have sugar in your tea, add it in now, but make sure you do not add honey, okay? Honey cannot be in tea. It has to be good Indian good that you can find it at the Indian store, or regular white sugar or brown sugar, but cannot be honey, okay? So but this time I'm making it sugar free, so that's why I didn't add it. If you want it, you add sugar in it. And now you can see it's boiling. The color looks okay to me. So I'm going to turn off the stove once it starts boiling and take the strainer to strain it, because it does have loose tea leaves. So that's the reason we have to strain it. And usually we serve tea with any kind of biscuit. I happen to have khari biscuit that I got it from the Indian store, so that's what I'll be serving it with you. But you can have it with toast, bread butter, paratha, puri, anything, everything goes well. But I like to have plain tea. When I drink tea, I have nothing, just plain tea in the morning. But this is for my husband, so he likes to have tea and biscuit. So here I'm using the strainer to strain the tea, and it's ready. I hope you like my recipe. Do try it out and let me know. Enjoy. Bye.